Welcome, guys. Welcome to day 4. So, in day 1, 2, 3, we discussed about data types in Python. So, we discussed about integer, float, string, and boolean and complex as built-in data types and collections. So, these are what data types in Python. So, built-in data types are five. One integer, float, string, bool, complex. Collections. Sixth one is list. Seventh one is tuple. Eighth one is set. Ninth one is dict. Tenth one is frozen set. Yes. 11th one. Bytes. 12th one. Byte array. 13th one. Range. 14th one. None. Okay. So we already discussed about these all 10 data types. Okay. So today we are going to see bytes, byte array, range, and none. Okay. Let us see bytes. So how to create bytes? So here bytes are created by using list. Okay. So this is my list. You all people are know now how to create a list. How to create a list by using brackets. Inside brackets, you have to write elements. You have to give elements. These each and every element is comma separated. Okay. And you have to store in a single variable, my list. So now what I am doing, I am doing typecasting. Okay. Typecasting means what? So here bytes, inside this bytes, I am passing the list. So if my list is list, so I'm passing my list to bytes and yes, storing into some variable called b1. Okay. So b1 is now bytes. So if you print b1, so it will give you object. Okay. So we have to see the bytes by using loop only. Okay. So we will see this in upcoming lecture. So print type of b1. So class bytes. So these bytes are not so important, but it is in our syllabus. So I am teaching you. Okay. So don't worry about this bytes. It is not going to use that much. Okay. Then similarly, byte array, same to same byte array. So here I have a list called L1. L1 equals to 1 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 3 comma 4 4. This is my list. So I am passing this list to byte array. Again, byte array is not so important. So I am covering because only it is in our syllabus. So B3 byte array. If you see the type of B3, it is showing byte array. It is showing byte array. So if you see B3 of 0, B3 of 0 means B3 is variable. Okay. 0 is index, first value. So what I am doing here, I'm changing first value and I'm writing in for loop. So I will explain this for loop in upcoming sessions. Okay. So it is changed actually. Wait, where it is my L1. So my L1 here I have to pass L1. Okay. L1. See here 11 was 0 index 1 2 3. So it is changed. So byte are mutable and bytes are immutable. Okay. So not to worry. Range is a function which generates a sequence of number. Sequence, we can say sequence means what? Suppose I want a sequence of 0 1 2 3 4 5. So you have to write range 6. So Python will generate a sequence from 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. It won't generate that last number. Okay. So it has some start, end and step also. Okay. So if you write range 1 comma 10, 1 means it is starting. It is starting. This is end. End is always excluded. So starting from 1 to 9. So you will get 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So I will run some examples so that you can understand. Okay. So here this is for loop. Okay. I will show you without for loop also. List or first you can run range function, range of 10. Range of 10 means what? Range of 10 means by default there is no start, but it will starts with 0 only. Start with 0. End is how much? 10. End is 10. So it is excluded. So it will go till 9 only. So you will get 0 to 9. So I will run this. Okay. Here you will get this, but I will convert this range to list. So I'm typecasting. I'm doing typecasting range to list. So 0 to 9. Okay. Another example. I will take another example. Range. So first of all, I will explain range syntax. So range has three parameters. Range has three parameters. Range has three parameters. First parameter is your start. Second parameter is stop. Third parameter is step. Okay. So if you have three parameters, then first one is always start, second one is stop, and third one is step. Suppose I have range of 2 comma 10 comma 1. It means what? It means here it is starting with 2. It is start. 2 is nothing but start. This is start. This is stop. And this is step. Okay. Starting with 2. Stop is 10. 10 means it is always excluded. Okay, you have to do 1 minus. So it will reach till 9 only. So 2 to 9. What is mean by step? Again, here you have to do subtract. Always subtract 1 here. Okay, do minus 1. So 0. It means no increment. So 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7, 8, 9. Till 9 you will get. Okay. So this is very important concept. So range 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 2 comma 10 comma 1. So I will convert this range to a list. So what will be the output? 2 to 9. 2 to 9. Okay. Similarly, I will take another example. Range of 3 comma 30 comma 2. 3 comma 30 comma 2. Yes, anyone wants to discuss on this? What is a start, what is a stop, and what is step? Yes, anyone? So what is this? This is your start. What is this? This is stop. So this logic is very, very important, and we are going to see this concept in string slicing, string indexing, or we can say list slicing. Also we are going to use this functionality: start, stop, and step. Both is here. Starting with 3 means 3 as it is. Stop 30 means it will go only till 29. Okay, starts with 3, ends with 29, means ending till 29. It reaches to 29 because it is excluded. So what is mean by step 2? 2 means, again I am telling that always do one subtraction. So 1. 1 means after every element you have to skip one number or one character. One skip. So after 3, 4. So 1. 4 is skipped. 3, 5, 6 is skipped. 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay. Likewise, it will give us odd numbers from 3 to 29. So I will run this. So I will convert this range to a list. Okay. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 till 29. Are you getting how range is working? Can you answer my question? I will ask you what is the answer of 5, comma 50, comma 5. What will be the sequence? Yes. Anyone answer this question? What about start? Start is excluded or included? Start is excluded or included? Included means ये भी आएगा ना, 5 आएगा ना? नहीं, देखो start, ये start है, ठीक है? So 1 minute, I will explain you. So this is nothing but your start, correct? Where it is? It is your start. This is your stop, and this is your step. ओके, स्टार्ट में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, स्टार्ट जो है वो आएगा, ठीक है? स्टॉप मतलब ये 50 तक जाएगा क्या? नहीं जाएगा, उससे एक कम, मतलब 49 तक जाएगा, ठीक है? 49 तक जाएगा मतलब इसका एंड तो 50 नहीं है, हमें पता चला है कि 49 तक जाएगा, ठीक है? कोई बात नहीं, इसको हम लोग बाजू में रखें। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस 5? इंक्रीज बाय 5 नहीं। सो ये क्या करना है आपको? हमेशा मैं एक लॉजिक बता, इसको हमेशा आप ना 5 -1 करना है, मतलब जितना भी नंबर है ना -1 कर देना। कितना आया 4। तो 5 के बाद 4 नंबर्स को स्किप करना है आपको। 5 के बाद 4 नंबर्स कौन से हैं? 6, 7, 8, 9, ये वाले। तो ये वाले स्किप हो जाएंगे, अभी अभी ये नहीं आएंगे। इसके बाद क्या आएगा? 10 आएगा। सो 10 के बाद 4 स्किप करना है, यहाँ पे 4 स्किप करना है। 10 के बाद 11, 12, 13, 14, सो ये स्किप हो जाएगा। सो लाइक वाइज यू कैन स्किप ऑल। सो 49 तक आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? ये एक्चुअली ये स्किप्स हो रहे। सो ये 10 आएगा, 15 आएगा, 20 आएगा, 25 आएगा, 30, 35, 40। 40 के बाद अगर आप देखोगे ना, 4 कैरेक्टर्स, 4 सॉरी नंबर्स, 41, 42, 43, 44, ये स्किप हो जाएंगे। 45 आएगा, 45। एंड 45 आने के बाद 46 स्किप, 47 स्किप, 48 स्किप, 49 स्किप। इसका मतलब ये 49 भी स्किप हो रहा है। इसका मतलब ये 49 तक नहीं, 45 तक जाएगा। आई विल रन हियर range of 5 comma 50 comma 5. So I will convert this to a list: 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 35, 40, 40. Okay, so this is your range. रेंज आया क्या समझ में? आगे देखेंगे, जस्ट आपको इंट्रोडक्शन लेवल पे बता रहा हूँ मैं। आगे आने वाले लेक्चर्स में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं। सो यू कैन यूज इन फॉर लूप ऑल्सो, डोंट वरी, ये मैं आगे बताऊंगा। नन, नन क्या है? इट इज अ कीवर्ड। सो नन मीन्स नो वैल्यू और नथिंग। It is not same as zero, not same as empty string, not same as false. ये तीनों अलग है, नन अलग। It represents absence of a value. Suppose x equals to none. So इसको मैंने रन किया। If you print the value of x, so it will return none. So type of x is class none type. Okay. Marks equals to none. Print marks none. So print 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 type of marks none type. आया समझ में? Okay. So here we covered all data types introduction, only introduction. Okay. So can you tell me how many data types are there in Python? Data types, yes, बोलो। built in data types कितने हैं हमारे पास? built in data types and collections, तो यहाँ पर हम लोग built in data types देखेंगे। हमारा मतलब int, float, string and bull and complex। collections में क्या क्या आएंगे? list, tuple, set, date, frozen set। okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bytes, byte array, these are not so important. Frozen set is also not important. 13th one is range, 14th one is none। none भी उतना कुछ important नहीं है, but yes, you can remember। okay, then identifiers, what is mean by identifier? A name in Python program is called identifier. It can be a class name or function name और मॉड्यूल नेम और वेरिएबल नेम। इसका मतलब क्या है कि कोई भी फंक्शनैलिटी को हमें नाम देना है, कोई फंक्शन को नाम देना है, क्लास को नाम देना है, वेरिएबल को नाम देना है, तो प्रॉपरली देने का। ठीक है। so those are called identifiers। so here x equals to 100। okay, x equals to 100, x is variable, y is also variable। print x, print y। okay, so rules how to define identifiers in Python. The only allowed characters in Python are either lowercase or uppercase, digits 0 to 9, and only one symbol, underscore symbol, A to Z, A to Z, 0 to 9, and underscore symbol। Identifier should not starts with digit। Identifier should not starts with digit। ये चलेगा नहीं। ओके। my underscore set underscore 1, yes, ये चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। x1 चलेगा, x1 equals to 100 चलेगा, 1x equals to 200 नहीं चलेगा। आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सो दिस इज नथिंग बट रूल्स। अभी हमें कोई न्यू बेबी का नाम रखना है, सो नामकरण करते हैं ना हम लोग। सो नामकरण के लिए हम लोग नामकरण को कैसे, मतलब नाम कैसे रखते हैं हम लोग? सुटेबल रखते हैं। सो एक तो पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए नाम, या फिर कोई मतलब भगवान का नाम। ओके, गॉड, रिलीजियस और एनी, कैसे नाम रखते हैं हम लोग? मीनिंगफुल, वो भी पॉजिटिव वाला। ठीक है। कोई एक इंस्पायर, इंस्पायर हुआ मतलब महानायक होना चाहिए। ठीक है। ऐसे कुछ रूल्स है। किसी लड़के का नाम कोई राक्षस रख सकता है क्या? नहीं रखेंगे हम लोग। किसी का भी नाम रावण रखेंगे क्या हम लोग? नहीं रखेंगे, जो नेगेटिव वाले हैं वो नहीं रखते हम लोग, इट इम्पैक्ट। सिमिलरली हमारे जो भी वेरिएबल्स का नाम होना चाहिए मीनिंगफुल होना चाहिए। अच्छा, बैंक अकाउंट का एप्लीकेशन बना रहा हूँ मैं, एक बैंक अकाउंट का एप्लीकेशन बना रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है। बैंक अकाउंट के एप्लीकेशन में क्या क्या आता है मीनिंग, मतलब एक तुषार है, तुषार इज अ कस्टमर। सो यहाँ पर तुषार किस में स्टोर करना है, यहाँ पर x इक्वल्स टू तुषार, what is this x, y equals to he has what, how much balance, 15 lakhs, okay, 1500000। so what is this y, ये कुछ मीनिंगफुल है क्या? एंड आई एम यूजिंग z as his city name, Amravati, okay, and I am assigning a p variable as he is married। मुझे एक बात बताओ, इस एप्लीकेशन में क्या मेरा x मीनिंग है, मीनिंगफुल है क्या, y मीनिंगफुल है क्या, z मीनिंगफुल है क्या, p मीनिंगफुल है क्या? इट शुड अंडरस्टैंड बाय ईच एंड एवरी डेवलपर। सो ए एक्स के जगह पे क्या होना चाहिए, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस, यहाँ पर वेरिएबल कैसा होना चाहिए? इट इज कस्टमर नेम, राइट? सो बेटर टू यूज कस्टमर अंडरस्कोर नेम। कस्टमर अंडरस्कोर नेम ये वेरिएबल हुआ, इसमें स्टोर करो ना, दिस इज परफेक्ट नेम, नॉट एक्स। अकाउंट बैलेंस acc अंडरस्कोर बैलेंस, तो यहाँ पर इंस्टेड ऑफ आई यूज अकाउंट बैलेंस। एड्रेस और सिटी इक्वल्स टू अमरावती, ओके। मैरिटल स्टेटस, मैरिटल अंडरस्कोर स्टेटस क्या होना चाहिए, जो भी है। सो योर वेरिएबल शुड बी a meaningful, are you getting my point, yes or no? Identifiers are case sensitive, so here what I am doing, account balance, account underscore balance is equals to 15 lakhs, okay, so I'm running this, and here print account balance, print print। तो शायद इतना चलेगा ना अकाउंट बैलेंस, या कुछ ज्यादा कर दो, थोड़ा सा कम करना है? चलो, आई विल make it as 1 crore 50 lakhs, એટલે okay, 1.5 crores account balance. So you can print that account balance variable. So what I am doing here, I am creating another variable which is similar to account balance only, but my first character is uppercase, okay. So here what I will do, I will write a as uppercase. So now account balance is equal to 0, okay. So can you tell me what is the difference between this account balance and this account balance? I will print both account balances, both are similar or different, both are similar और डिफरेंट, यस, एनीवन प्लीज। क्या आएगा आउटपुट, क्या आएगा, दोनों अलग अलग है या एक ही है अकाउंट बैलेंस? ये अकाउंट वाला मैंने जो वेरिएबल बनाया है, it is totally lower case and it is what, first upper and remaining all characters are lower. So you will get surprise, both are different, both are different because Python is case sensitive programming language, okay. So here total is 100, total 100, and again here total, this is what, different total, so triple it. If you print this total you will get 100, and if you print this total you will get triple it. It means what, Python is a case sensitive programming language, okay. So always alphabet symbols, we will use alphabet and only one symbol. If identifier starts with underscore, then it is private. If identifier should not, means I'll tell you these all things later, but identifier, any variable, name of the function, name of the class, name of the any variable, it should not starts with digit. Identifiers are case sensitive. We cannot use reserve word as a identifier. I will tell you what are reserve words. So in Python, almost 35 reserve keywords are there. So how to see those all keywords? So import keyword, print keyword dot kw list. So and how many keywords are there? This is what list. I can count the number of elements present in list by using len function 35. So we cannot use these all keywords as a variable name. Suppose here, see, if you can see lambda, okay, here it is a lambda. You cannot use a lambda as a variable. You cannot use this false as a variable, false equals to 100, no. You can use false 1, but it is meaningless. Emp name, yes, it is okay. EMP name equals to Sachin Tendulkar. But see, there should be some space, or you can give underscore here. EMP underscore name. It looks like what? Good. Okay. EMP123, it is acceptable, no problem. So this is what? Good variable. Identifier is separated by underscore. EMP underscore name. Virat Kohli. It is not accepted. Totally not accepted. Why? This variable is not correct. Due to what? Yes, anyone please? Why this variable is not going to store? Hardik, क्या गलती है इसमें? Because it starts with 1, 2, 3. हाँ, it should not start with numeric value. Okay, so then after that, so this is what? Private. Okay, we will see these all underscore and double underscore. Okay, so reserve words, we cannot use reserve words as variables identifiers. I hope you understand how to use the name of the variable, name of class and everything. Okay, I'm stopping here only. So thank you guys.